Hi everybody, how you doing? Kevin and I got projects going on today. My job was to dig out the honeyberries that he had started in the handicap garden before they leaf all out so we can put them in pots. So I went over, dug those, and...
So they came out of the handicap beds, and these were the little hardwood cuttings were put in not last fall but the fall before, and several of them took and grew all last season. So all this is new growth since last season. This was the amount that was originally put in the fall before last. You thought, how good were the roots on them?
Roots were really good. Most of them roots were really good. So there's 13 plants here. These are the ones that were like smaller, roots, but we'll give them a chance. Some of them you can see a little green starting to leaf out.
Yep.
So that's good because we wanted to get them out of there so that they got a chance to get their roots in the pot, and then also the strawberries could grow.
Sounds good.
So that's the project.
So this is the soil is a couple-year-old leaf mold, and if you watch our videos, you see how we compost our leaf mold and turn that into decent soil. Ends up looking like this over here. I had a little bit of the peat moss and perlite that Thea put on the very top. We don't have any more double ground hardwood bark mulch yet, but when we get that, that'll go on top of it. But these are one of 4 different varieties of honeyberry or Haskaps. And I can't tell you which ones are which because we lost our labels over the seasons here.
Yeah, lots of wind and snow over the years.
So you're going to do some watering over here in the...
Yep, everybody's going to get watered and all. And I'm going to leave these guys up here so I can keep a good eye on them for the next week. It's supposed to get cold tomorrow, but this area will not freeze. So that's good.
Okay. Good job, hon.
Good job to you, too. Take care, everybody. Nice to see you. Bye-bye.